Hello, Construction Carol here with another construction update. And this update has a lot of things that have been moved, a lot of moving of items and shelving units and arranging. The library is open again to public, so please come and visit us again, but be mindful that everything is not where it is going to stay. Everything is getting shifted and moved around to different locations. So if you can't find anything, just ask. Look at all this room. Aren't these doors just the coolest? I just want to end this update with a big thank you to the Pritchard family. They did a lot of helping with moving of furniture and dusting of shelves because they were pretty gross from drywall stuff. But they did a lot of work, help clean and get the library ready to be opened again. So thank you. Stay tuned for more updates from Construction Carol.